this book's augmented reality feature is simple and awesome. All you have to do is download the AR app and create a free account. Find the Scan Me symbol, then press the scanner button while holding your phone over the image. The bonus item will load pretty quickly, appear on your screen, and play automatically. To be able to move your phone away from the book without losing the bonus item, tap on the thumbtack icon and it will enter full screen mode.
ICBMs can travel farther and are more difficult to shoot down than standard missiles.
And that is how to use augmented reality to explore archival footage, vintage sound bites.
I am talking to you about Germany.
3D landmarks,
The project of building the Second Temple.
and 3D animations that make history truly immersive.